So I've got a bit of a dilemma. I have replica Bi-xenon headlights, and I have the Morimoto H7 Elite kit. I don't have the CAN bus relay wired. So anyways, the car is off right now. I have my DRLs off. I can turn them on. These are... So those are just the DRLs. I don't know why they look so bright. So if I use flash to pass, which is just toggling the high beam, both of them fire. All right, I'll turn off the lights so you can, so push the high beam and they warm up. But now, if I turn on the car, and I have it off, and I flash it, let's try it. So one, where that happens, they just won't fire. What I'm trying to accomplish is if I'm driving in traffic and I want to use the high beam to get somebody's attention, I'm able to hold it as opposed to one-time flash. So it just won't ignite. If I hold it, maybe. But I'll turn the car off. Flash it, and both ignite. I don't understand. If I have headlights on, car on, they just function as normal. Weird, right?